Hello children, now we are going to see for class 9 English Prose Unit 3. The topic is The Old Man River. Book back notes. Roman letter A. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First one, the radio announced that dash. Options A. The river was above the flood stage. B. The Bernard Dam had given way. C. There will be a cloud burst. D. There will be a cyclone. The answer is A. The river was above the flood stage. Question number 2. Mother can't get home from Mrs. Brannet's house because dash. A. It was raining heavily. B. The bridges between there and town were underwater. C. There was an emergency at Mrs. Brannet's house. D. She has broken her leg. So answer is B. The bridges between there and town were underwater. Question number 3. The Bernard Dam gave away as dash. So options are A. It rained for days. B. The dam was weak. C. It rained heavily and the snow was melting. And D. Poor maintenance. The answer is C. It rained heavily and the snow was melting. Question number 4. There was no power because dash. The options are A. The powerhouse was out of commission. B. The powerhouse was flooded. C. The dam gave away. And D. There was fine. The answer is A. The powerhouse was out of commission. Question number 5. Why did they splinter Sarah's leg with pillows? Options are A. She was unconscious out of fear. B. She had broken her leg below the knee. And C. She was too lazy to walk. And D. She was making a fuse. The answer is B. She had broken her leg below the knee. Roman letter B based on your reading. Answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences each. Question 1. Why did Jim run from school? The answer, it was a cloud burst. So Jim ran from school to get home. Question number 2. Where was Ami's mother? Answer, Ami's mother was at Mrs. Brannet's house. Question number 3. Why did Amis ask Betty to fill in the water tubs? The answer, Ami thought that it would be unsafe to drink in case that town water supply was cut off. So he asked Betty to fill in the water tubs with fresh water. Question number 4. According to Jim, what are the 2 things that a person should remember in times of emergency? Answer. According to Jim, the first is that a person must not let others see how scared we are. The second thing is to get together things such as water, food, blankets, coats, and lights. Question number 5. Why is Jim climbing on the roof? Answer. The Jim is climbing on the roof to signal for help from there. Question number 6. Who was there in the living room and what were they doing? Answer. Ami, Betty and Rose were in the living room. Ami and Rose were knitting. Betty was looking at pictures in magazine. Question number 7. Why were they going to sleep in the attic? Answer. They were going to sleep in the attic because they left insecure in the living room as the water level was rising. Question number 8. Who came in the boat? Answer. Mr. Tom Peters and Miss Marsh came in the boat. Question number 9. Who is the founder of the Junior Red Cross? Answer. Henry Dudant Bonjean. Henry Dudant, that is 8th May 1928 to 30th October 1910. So, a Swiss businessman and cross. He was the first recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize. Roman letter D based on your understanding of the text, answer the following in about 3 or 4 sentences each. The first question, describe the home alone experiences of the children. Answer, Old Man River portraits children at home in a critical situation. They remain at home mindlessly even at the time of a severe crisis. They had no experience with how to face the risk until a rescue team arrived. They just remained indoors without aiming to call anyone to their rescue. The children had no experiences in the outer world at all. Question number 2. Elaborate. The rescue operation was undertaken by Mr. Peter. Answer. Mr. Peter and Miss Marsha, the Red Cross nurse, reached the house in time. A two-member team started its operation to rescue the children. They gave a first shot to Sarah, who had her leg injury. They were active to shift Sarah to Red Cross Emergency Hospital along with Rose and Betty. Their timely help gave Sarah comfortable and confident. The children's cheers of food disappeared because of Mr. Peter's service on behalf of Red Cross. Question number 3. How did the Jim prove himself as a good rescue in the flood situation? Answer. Jim Hall was a member of the Junior Red Cross Emergency Squad. His experience at Junior Red Cross enabled him to act briskly. He altered and instructed the children to do the necessary work. He advised to the children not to let others see their fear as very valuable. He was active to go out to save Sarah. His precautions gave them confidence. Thus, they all were rescued. Jim was the brain behind all this good rescue operation. Question number 4. Briefly narrate the happenings of the play in scene 2. Question A. How did Ami manage a situation at home? Answer. Ami joined alliance with Jim to carry out all the precautions to protect the children. She was more responsible to collect the fresh water to drink for some more days. She looked into the basic needs of food and shelter. She engaged Betty and Rose to complete the task. She was very helpful to Sarah also. She had concern for her mother and could not return home. Thus, she managed the situation very well. Question number B. How did the marshal save the children? Answer. When the children were panic stricken after the flood, they had to sleep in the attic. Sarah, who was brought home by Jim, also fractured her leg. Mr. Peter and Mrs. Marsh, the Red Cross nurse, had brought the boat. They gave the first aid to Sarah. They took her to the Red Cross, and Betty and Rose were also taken with them in the boat. Ami and Jim stayed behind. Thus, the marsh saved the children.